In manufacturing, there are countless of applications. Visual feeds can be used to monitor the systems, to make inspections and tests, and also for remote service. The devices in our industries are using visual feeds for their operation. It would provide superior situational awareness and accuracy, especially in the maintenance situations, factory acceptance testings, and system inspections. It could also help to locate the issues in the manufacturing process. With a single well-placed 360 camera, you could cover the same area as you would normally need several traditional surveillance cameras for. Also, you would need to monitor only a single 360 feed that you can easily scroll around, instead of monitoring several 2D feeds. Sometimes it's not sustainable or even possible for people to travel. Remote factory acceptance tests could save both time and money if they can be well executed. They can be also much more flexible and focused for different user groups. Also, you can have a larger team participating. Compared to human eye, it provides ultra-high visibility, and thanks to the recording and playback functionalities, the data analytics can be utilized to track the issues even afterwards. If there's a problem, the automatically gathered data can be shared directly to the control room and the remote expert. The live or recorded multimedia feed can be sent to the remote expert, and the issues can be solved in a fraction of the time, avoiding the costly downtime for the customer, making them much happier. The training can be also organized remotely, for example for the new employees in the company anywhere in the world. A manufacturer could have a real digital twin of their factory that's based on 360 camera feed. That would be always accurate, and that would definitely bring peace of mind.